Sometimes life gets overwhelming, and even the small things like cleaning up can feel like too much. If you or someone you know is going through a tough time, we want to help. We're offering free pressure washing services to those who truly need a helping hand. Each month we'll choose 1 or 2 people for a completely free clean. No charge, just care. We can't help everyone, but we'll do our best to reach those who need it most. Apply or nominate someone using the form in the description, because a little kindness can go a long way. If you're not looking for a free clean, you can simply support us by visiting our YouTube channel, liking, subscribing and sharing. Go onto YouTube and search for Wizzy Cleans exterior cleaning. We will put a link in the description as well, but sharing this can really help us help somebody else.